Shebi you know say as me say English na human being, if I don't die since.
Jesus!
If to say English na human being, I don't die since.
Funke! Funke!
Ordinary sister, calm down, listen, I explain. I tell person say sister, look at your purse, please. Is that purse yours? Then she answer me, no, it's not my yours.
Hey!
It's not my yours. Ask am, no, please, I said, is that purse yours? Then she answer me, no, it cannot be my yours.
Will you keep quiet?
Go and ask that brother whether it is yours.